The UK's new Chancellor of the Exchequer, Jeremy Hunt, faces an early test on Monday when trading resumes on the financial markets. He has to come up with a new economic policy to support the struggling economy. His predecessor, Kwasi Kwarteng's mini-budget in September of huge tax cuts sent the pound tumbling. Kimberly Lim reports.
Another new day in Stroud and another new finance minister for the country. This town in the west of England has a Conservative Member of Parliament, but right now there is little support for the UK Prime Minister's own party.
Do you have confidence in the current government?
Well, no, really. I mean, they seem to be going from one extreme to another. No long-term policies, really. It all seems to be knee-jerk stuff. And what we need is long-term policies that have got, hopefully, sort things out.
I don't know what to make of it. It's ridiculous. I used to be a member of the Tory party, but I'm not now.
I personally think there should be a general election.
While he is no stranger to the business of government, the former Foreign and Health Secretary faces an uphill battle to win over the electorate. He used his second television interview in as many days to emphasise he will get the job done.
We are going to have a very big fiscal statement, a bit like a budget, in which we set out the tax and spending plans for several years ahead, and that's going to be independently verified by the Office for Budget Responsibility. We've been honest that it was a mistake not to do that in the mini-budget before.
Hunt has until October 31st to come up with a new economic policy to support the struggling economy, just 3 weeks after his predecessor, Kwasi Kwarteng's mini-budget of huge tax cuts sent the pound tumbling and faced massive backlash from both sides of the political house and public. Meanwhile, the Prime Minister is fighting for political survival. Her speech late last week in defence of her actions has so far failed to calm her critics, both at home and abroad. Whatever steps the finance minister plans to take next, he will have to act, and fast. Soaring inflation, crippling energy bills and a winter of public sector strike action loom large over the British economy. The next big test for government will come on Monday when trading resumes on the financial markets. Kimberly Lim, CGTN.